welcome to my channel. Riya this side. I hope you are doing great and are safe at home. So in today's video you already know by the title that this video is gonna be a Nykaa haul. So in today's video I am going to show you all the stuff that I bought from Nykaa. Some of these items are from the skincare category and some of them are from cosmetics, or you can say makeup. And yes, I'm not gonna show them in a particular order. I'll just randomly pick any of these. And I have used almost each item at least once, so I can give you a mini review as well. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and I'll see you towards the end. Okay guys, so starting off with our first product. The first product that we have is from L'Oreal and it is a face wash. White Perfect Milky Foam Purifying and Brightening Face Wash. So this is not my first time. ये मैं पहले भी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ and this face wash is really great. तो इससे फेस बिल्कुल भी ड्राई फील नहीं होता है और बल्कि बहुत मॉइस्चराइज लगता है, ब्राइटनिंग इफेक्ट देता है, अच्छे से क्लीन कर देता है, आपकी स्किन को एकदम अंदर से क्लीन करता है. सो आई तो रियली लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. यू कैन गिव दिस अ ट्राई. Also do not buy the bigger version of this, try the smallest version सबसे पहले. If it suits you only then buy the bigger versions and do not waste your money. Moving on to our next product, we have this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire, as you can see. It was just for 125 rupees. Can you believe that? It has a spoolie and a pencil. Like both of these things are just for 125 rupees. The pigmentation of this pencil is amazing. Also क्योंकि बहुत पिगमेंटेड है, so use it हल्के हाथ से, क्योंकि अगर आप एकदम से बहुत प्रेशर लगा के इसको यूज करोगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर लगेगा. But the spoolie of this pencil is superb. Like even if you have applied a lot of the product, you can just brush it off. Like आप इसको ब्रश करोगे and it will look like a natural eyebrow और आपकी eyebrow बिल्कुल सेट हो जाएंगी. So yes, definitely try this one. And let me show you the swatch of this eyebrow pencil. You can see how pigmented it is. Also it have this pencil, so you will need a sharpener. ये retractable नहीं है, so if you are like more towards retractable pencils, then you can try the retractable ones. But I will recommend this one because for 125 rupees you are getting this whole thing and it is just amazing. This is my one of the favorite thing from this haul and I really love this product. So yeah, moving on to our next product, we have this M Caffeine body scrub. Now this thing changed the game. When you shave, it is really important to use a good scrub so that you won't get ingrown hair, or we call it strawberry legs or strawberry hand. When I first time used this, एक यूज में ही मुझे इफेक्ट दिख गया था और इनग्रोन हेयर तो उसके बाद से बिल्कुल कभी भी नहीं हुए हैं आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो इफ़ यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ गुड बॉडी स्क्रब, डेफिनेटली go for this. It is a huge tub and it will last you forever. So yes, from my side, definitely give this a try. It will change your game also. So our next product is this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily Skin Foundation. My shade in this foundation is 128. So here is a back story. Before this Chotu tube, I have bought a bottle version of this foundation, but the shade was wrong. I bought the 228 shade, which was really dark for me and that gives me a tannish kind of look. तो इस बार मैं अपने पैसे बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहती थी. That's why I bought the smaller version, this tube version of this foundation. And I think 128 shade भी थोड़ी सी बहुत like very minimum मेरे लिए थोड़ी सी dark है. But I think I can work with it. You can build it up to medium coverage. But yes, I think this foundation is good for daily basis. Though I don't use foundations on daily basis. But yeah, if you like to use foundation on a daily basis, you can give this one a try. And before buying a bottle version, buy this Chotu tube so that you won't do the same mistake that I have done. So yes, our next product is this Maybelline New York Colossal Eyeliner in the shade black. This is sketch eyeliner. It's so thin that you can make a wing eyeliner and you can make a very thin liner. Eyeliner is completely opaque, dark black, and I would recommend this eyeliner. but there is a problem. It is a little bit expensive. Like for eyeliners, this is my personal view, like for eyeliners it is a little bit expensive. So yes, if you think you can spend this much money on an eyeliner, then you can definitely try this one. अगर इसका प्राइस थोड़ा कम होता तो मैं आपको 100% अपनी तरफ से रिकमेंड कर देती, but yes, application wise I like this eyeliner. So our next product is a lipstick. So I got this lipstick from Nykaa So Cream Creamy Matte range, and the shade is On Fire. The lipstick is really good. I would say pigment जो है वो थोड़ी सी कम है, but you can obviously build it up. आपको 2-3 स्ट्रोक लगेंगे, but उसके बाद जो कलर ये देती है, like it's really beautiful maroonish kind of red color, जो मुझे actually वही चाहिए था. And this lipstick is actually really creamy. ये लगाने के बाद आपके लिप्स बिल्कुल भी चैप्ड नहीं होंगे. So yes, you can try this lipstick. I think it is worth the price. The next product that we have is a setting spray from Swiss Beauty. You can see I have tried this only one time, जो मैंने अभी मेकअप किया हुआ है इस पर, और इससे पहले मैंने इसको कभी यूज़ नहीं किया. सो आई कांट रियली टेल यू अबाउट दिस अलॉट, बट इसकी स्मेल अच्छी है, नॉर्मल है, यू वोंट फील इरिटेटेड बाय द स्मेल. स्प्रे जो है इसका वो भी आई वुड से काफ़ी अच्छा है. लाइक इट गेट्स इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑन योर फेस. एंड वैसे मैंने इसको ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया तो मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बोल नहीं सकती, बट द प्राइस पॉइंट इज़ रियली गुड. लाइक फॉर दैट प्राइस यू कैन डेफिनेटली गिव इट अ ट्राई. ओके गाइज, सो नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव M Caffeine Naked and Rich Choco Body Lotion. As you can see, I know this is a summer season, but still even in summers you need a good moisturization of your body. So for that I bought this lotion. So it comes with a pump locker, which I don't have right now because I lost it. So if you are traveling to somewhere, you can take this bottle with you. छोटी सी बॉटल है, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी बॉटल भी नहीं है, and you need the tiniest amount of this. One more reason why I bought this lotion was एक ऑफर चल रहा था M Caffeine के ऊपर कि if you buy एक certain amount तक कोई चीज, so then you will get this M Caffeine serum free with it. So I bought these 2 items. मुझे ये वाला सीरम खरीदना ही था. So I thought let's take the advantage of this offer, and I bought 2 items from M Caffeine. So I got this serum and this pouch free. I have been using this serum for around 4 to 5 days now, and it is doing its job really good. The serum is M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum with Vitamin C, और इस पे लिखा है ये सभी स्किन टाइप्स के लिए है, and yes, all skin types can use it. It is not very oily or sticky or greasy. आई रियली लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट, बट येस ज़्यादा अच्छे से जब ये बॉटल खत्म हो जाएगी तभी पता चल पाएगा दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बाय दिस अगेन और आई वॉन्ट ट्राई समथिंग एल्स. सो येस, प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड सो दैट आई कैन टेल यू इफ इट इज़ वर्थ इट और नॉट. सो आवर लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट आइटम इज दिस K Beauty highlighter, and it is a little expensive, but this highlighter is so good. Like trust me on this, if you are searching for a good highlighter, give this one a try. And the packaging is so good. Like let me show you. If you open this kind of packaging comes, जिसके अंदर foam है, and here we have classic K Beauty packaging, and it is worth the price. It has this mirror with it, and let me show you the swatch of this highlighter. Like you can you see this? How beautiful this highlighter is, you can see. And I bought this highlighter in the shade Frosted Eyes. K Beauty पे हमेशा सेल चलती रहती है और उस पर आपको 15 to 20% ऑफ हमेशा मिलता रहेगा. So yes, if you can invest your 600 or 700 rupees on a good highlighter, then I will definitely recommend this one. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends, family and everyone you know. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon with it too, so that next time I upload a new video you will get notified. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and bye bye.